to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. You know, it's summertime and we're so used to barbecues, hamburgers, hot dogs. And you know, it's really difficult for vegans to find that barbecue-friendly food that we used to eat when we ate meat. So I'm going to show you a way to make hot dogs with carrots. Are you ready for this? Let's get started. All right, this recipe is very, very simple. I do have a dog at my feet that loves carrots, and I peeled an extra one just for him. Are you ready for this cake? Oh boy, here you go. I could not have carrots in the house without him jumping and begging, and you know what? It's a carrot. It's okay. So this is a really simple recipe. It does take some planning because it is going to cook for a while and then marinate for a while. So just keep that in mind when you make this. So you're going to take 4 large carrots. You're going to cut the ends off and then peel them. And you want to try and make them as close to a hot dog shape as you can. Now, I'm not perfect. I don't know anybody who is, but you know, just do your best. So these have already been peeled and, to the best of my ability, cut into a hot dog shape. So I am simply going to place these in a pan. I'm going to add a half cup of water. I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it simmer steam on my stove for about 25 minutes. Okay, my carrots have steamed for about 25 minutes, so 25 minutes is good. And now we're going to add some seasoning. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Bragg's amino acids, which is just liquid aminos. It's almost like a soy sauce. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 3/4 cup of water. Give that a good mix. Now they're gonna eventually taste like hot dogs. Okay, I'm gonna cover that. I'm gonna stick it in my refrigerator for 4 hours, and then we'll finish cooking. All right, once your carrot hot dogs have sat in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, you want to take the carrots and the marinade and throw everything into a saucepan. You want to let it simmer uncovered for about 15 minutes and then serve as you would any other hot dog. You can use ketchup, mustard, relish, whatever you like on your hot dogs, you can put it on these. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.